YT, what's happening with y'all, man? I'm gonna get right into it today because it's about to rain. Bob, I'm sure y'all can tell it's about to rain, so I got to get this done real quick. As you can see from the title, today we're working on a 1965, I believe, a 1965 El Camino. It's gonna be quick and simple, right to it. 5.3 4060E transmission. It already has a B&M floor shifter in there. Saves me a lot of time. That's pretty much it, man. It's going to be a quick and easy swap. Hopefully everything goes good. Won't run into any issues. Parts has been a pain in the ass, even with Corona. I think with COVID, it made it a lot harder to get parts, but I feel like COVID has passed a little bit, enough to where we should be able to get our parts, but whatever it is, what it is. I ordered most of his parts. A fair amount of them are here, so hopefully we get this thing in and out. I just want one car to go by so nice, man. So nice, so smooth. If you guys haven't seen that OBS I did, that one went by pretty smooth until it got to the end and it started bogging and doing some weird stuff. Cylinder 8 had like a bad misfire that I could not get rid of. But without further ado, if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is the bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. Get your paper, baby, because you know daddy gonna get mine. Excuse the green screen in the back. I might throw a Tupac video back there, something like that, to keep y'all entertained. So y'all won't have to listen to me talk all day, but let's get into it.
I'm gonna make you Crank Lucas be cranking. Crank Lucas be cranking.